Boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here.
And Lily here.
We are going to make moon
Sand.
So we are going to make moon sand today. So what do we need to make moon sand? Moon sand is kind of like kinetic sand. I know a lot of you guys have that or have played with that before. So we need 4 cups of
Flour.
We need a half a cup of
Baby oil.
And if you want to, you can use
Food coloring.
And what color did you pick out for your food coloring?
It's going to be purple.
Purple. So we've never made this before. So we have 4 cups of flour. Mrs. Hanson always has a lot of extra flour because I don't bake that much, but I'll bake like one thing and then I'll have a whole bag of flour. So we used 4 cups of flour. So that's all that's in here. And then we need to add a half a cup of baby oil. So I'm going to squirt this baby oil in there. And then,
Want to stop now?
I don't know, we got to get it. And then we're going to mix it.
Stop.
Oh yeah, that's pretty full. So I got my half a cup of baby oil.
Not a half, Mama.
Yeah, it's a half. This is a half cup. So this cup holds half a cup of oil. If the cup was bigger, then it would be a whole cup. So this is how we measure it. So we have our 4 cups of flour and our half.
Be careful.
I know, it's right to the edge. We're going to add that in.
And
So before we add the food coloring, we have to mix it. So do you want to mix it?
Yes.
Okay, be careful because my computer's right there. So keep it all inside. Lily likes to help me when we cook. She's very good at mixing ingredients. We're not going to cook this. We're just going to mix it. Do you want me to help? Okay.
All
right. So then I'll mix it up really good. Oops, I got more on the table than you did.
Yeah,
So we got a big bowl. And do you want to add a little bit of food coloring in?
No.
Maybe you want to do like 1 or 2 drops and then we'll mix it to see. Okay. Let's see.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. We didn't get colored at all. Maybe do a couple more drops. Yeah, 2 or 3.
I accidentally did 4.
It's okay. Maybe it will mix in better if we use our hands. Okay, I'm going to use my hands just in case it dyes my hands, okay? So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to start mixing it up. Well, the purple didn't even come out at all.
I guess we're just going to have white sand.
I guess we're just going to have white moon sand. So I'm mixing it up really good. It mixes a lot better when you do it with your hands. I just didn't want to get my hands all floury. So do you want to help me, Lily?
Yep.
You want to mix it up with your hands? So it's not too messy. I got a little bit of powder on my hands. We got a couple little dots of purple in there. All right. Does it smell good?
Yep.
So we got some moon sand. We got a big thing of moon sand. So you want to get a big hunk out? You can play with it. Can we make shapes out of it? It's not just like kinetic sand, but it's kind of like it, huh? Does it kind of feel like kinetic sand but powdery? And
because we didn't put, it kind of looks like still flour because the coloring didn't work.
Yeah, but that's okay. The coloring probably didn't want to mix with the oil because remember, like with our experiment yesterday when we did the fireworks, remember our coloring didn't mix with the oil? Probably for the same reason. So it won't mix with this because there's oil in it. But you can see it's something you can play with. You make little balls out of. We have, let's try to show them how much we have. We have a ton of moon dough now. And if you guys want to try to add food coloring, you can, but you can see it didn't really work with our, so maybe that's why they call it moon dough because it's white. So if you guys want to
Yeah.
make this, you guys need 4 cups of flour, which is actually, you get a lot of dough, and 4 cups of flour, a half a cup of baby oil, and if you want to try food coloring, you can, but you can see it didn't work. I know one of the recipes said you could add um, glitter, you can add little things to it, like maybe beads or stuff like that. So if you guys want to make this at home, we're going to play with it and make some stuff out of it. It's not too messy, but kind of messy, and it smells good too, huh? So, all right, let's say bye to my friends. So today we made our moon dough or moon stand. So if you guys want to make that, you guys can do that. And I will talk to you guys soon. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.